Hello, it's Brandon with 247health.com. I am experimenting with sardines today. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten all morning. I've been working out. I need a little extra protein. So I went into my pantry and these jumped out at me. So I Googled some recipes. I found one. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. By the way, click the link below if you want my newest free ebook. It's a 30-day guide to better health. It's in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and comment on this video to help me create new and better videos for you. Sardines in a bowl. You can discard the oil. It's in the can of sardines. I discarded most of it, but there's a little bit of that in here and then a little bit of the water. It calls for lemon zest, all the juice of the lemon, a teaspoon of onion or more, whatever you prefer. Red onion typically is what a lot of people use when they're working cooking sardines. I don't have red onion, so I'm going to use regular onion. Calls for Dijon mustard. I've got horseradish, that's what I'm going to use. A bunch of fresh herbs, parsley mostly. I've got a bunch of basil, lemon basil. I've got mint as well. The recipe does call for mint, basil, and parsley, and a lot of it. So that's it. Mix it up, chop up my herbs. Okay, all mixed up. Here's what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Whoa! Holy crap! It's really good. The lemon makes it. I think it also includes some garlic, actually. Well, that's a winner in my book. I like sardines. Sardines are great for you. You got your omegas in there, good fats. But sometimes they're kind of yucky. You know, not a big sardine fan. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. That is amazing. Thanks for watching. Like I said, click below. There's a free ebook that I just completed, 30 Days to Better Health. Like, follow me for more great videos. Please leave a comment. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.